I like to practice drawing hands from time to time, and for this one, I thought it might be nice to take you with me. As I usually do, I'm using my left hand as a reference. The challenge is that I'm used to looking at my hand and draw what I see. But for this time, I connected the camera to my PC and looked at the screen to draw what you guys are seeing. And that was difficult to do and a little bit confusing having the real life model closer to my eyes, but with a different perspective. I play with my hand and find an appropriate pose. Holding a pencil allows me to keep a forced position without getting tired and change the position of the fingers while I draw. Then I begin identifying the basic shapes for the outline, and I start with the biggest one, which is the shape of my hand's palm. Of all parts of the body, hands are considered to be the hardest to draw, although it is the model we have most in our visual area. I find that to be true, and it is not just because of the complexity of the shapes, but also because of the variety of positions they can have. Hands can have a personality of their own and can be very expressive. You can draw them in a natural position, indicating that the character is relaxed, or in a stiff and forced position, indicating more dramatic emotions like stress or anger. It is like they have a language of their own, our second language that works even without us thinking, betraying sometimes what the words don't say or are trying to hide.